Guys, this is where I live, Philippines. And you know what's happening? I went to Cagayan de Oro, but it was almost flooding and Pagatian. Ay, is na pala. Nasa Cagayan de Oro. Allahu Akbar, Abi! Marawi City, flood!
Nga, bakit? Marawi City sa flood.
Diba you punta there?
Yeah, that's the Marawi City.
But luckily, hindi nag-flood, diba?
Always flood there. Come on na. Today is what?
Ano?
Today is what? Mother's Day.
Ay, bro, you didn't tell me. Abi, sa Cotabato?
You didn't see the Facebook? Huh? Ay,
Abi, Cotabato Airport. Abi, Cotabato Airport. Guess what? Flood. Abi. Masjid. Masjid?
oy, what's that? It's normal for you?
Ano?
Mother's Day. Itong Mother's Day, you have to use.
Ha?
When only is Mother's Day, you give it. Me and Father's Day, not give it.
I gave you
What?
chocolate
Where?
before.
Today man, today. Today is a Father's Day.
Fine, I'll make you.
Hindi, ingat labi.
Make you.
You have. Before na, you and me buy to 7-Eleven. Diba? To give, to buy me. But you don't have effort to me. No, you don't have. I know, you not love me anymore.
I love you. I just didn't know.
Only you love.
I just didn't know. I didn't check Facebook kasi wala akong Facebook.
How did you know only is Father's Day?
Well, sabi si Umi. You didn't say it. I didn't know gani. I didn't check Facebook sa Umi cellphone.